Alright, I'm going to replace the door striker bolt on a square body Suburban. And got some idiots on here using electrical tape and PVC pipe. That's the wrong way. The correct way, use these to break loose the old door striker and use this to hold the little plate back there so it don't fall in. But you see how this is chipped off up here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray can of lubricant spray so I can spray it first before I take it all off. I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to spray this, get it nice and soaked, and I'm going to break loose the old pen, and I'm going to spray it some more and make it easy to remove. Ah, yeah, got that broken loose. Ah, yikes. And you got to watch the witness mark so you can put it back in the right place. Get this ready. Got to be very careful not to drop the little striker thing that holds it on the other side, or you got to remove the speaker to get it up. And using a magnet, and that wouldn't be any fun. Now, probably need to hold this now that there's enough room. Just hold the little plate so it doesn't move with a pick or some kind of tool. Just hold it in the place. As I take it off. Yeah. Is it being held? Oh, darn. Gotta use a vice grip just a little more. Alright. Ow. Yeah, it wants to try to fall out, but I'm not going to let it. Yeah, you can try to wedge it in between and hold it. Yeah, just wedge it right in that little gap. It's important to make sure it don't fall in. Using a Dorman 38420 door striker bolt. Yeah, I held it. See, it's very important to wedge it so it don't fall. It's a lot quicker to replace if you just hold it. Now I need to take the washer off. And this shit is welded on. Bust it off. There we go. Got that off. Now I'm going to put it on the new striker and twist it. All right, it's going on nicely. I'm going to show you the threading in. And that way this door will close without slamming it. Now I need to use a 3/8" Allen wrench. Tighten it up. Gotta be don't tighten it too much to where you strip it. It's gotta be as tight as a virgin's pussy so it don't move when you close the doors over all this time. Now let's try to close it now. See how well it closed. Oh. It doesn't use that much strength now. It's a little high, so I'm going to lower it a little because of the way it's hitting. And I felt like this thing was a little high. Oh, it just won't go no more. All right. Well, just make sure the witness marks line up. All right, let's try again. Much better. That completes the door back here. Now I'm going to move up to the front and toss this stuff. Set it to the side. I'm going to go do the front door. All right. Let me get this one out. Oh, damn, it wants to stick to the bag. This is a Dorman 38-420 door striker bolt. You can get these at any auto parts store.